Hey guys, welcome back. Today in day 5 part 2 we will talk about while loops, which are while and while repeats, part of main subject control flow. Yep, let's start our playground. So for playground I already made that. We just go to file, new, playground, and then we will name playground we want. I already made that, and we will go now to our document. So document source source of document for us is swift.org, and in language guide in day 5 control flow, and now while loops for part 2. So a while loop performs a set of statements until a condition becomes false. So this will run until this condition gets false. Okay, these kind of loops are best used when the number of iteration is not known before the first iteration begins. So you don't know, how many iteration will be there. Swift provide two kinds of while loops: while and repeat while. The only difference between these two, we will learn it right now. So for while we have condition at the beginning. So if the condition being false, even we won't run a statement once. So we will jump to out. But for repeat while, you will see that even with wrong condition, it's false condition, again at least we have once running a statement. Okay, so a while loop is start by evaluating a single condition. If the condition is true, a set of a statement is repeated until the condition becomes false. Here are just, and there's a game that you will see here, and we try to write this game by code. So what we do first, also we say, okay, let final square is 25. So if we get to 25, game is done, and we made a board which is repeating 0 for final square plus 1, because we start from 1. Yeah, we want actually we start so here we go. So the board is initialized with 26 0 init value, not 25. Okay, and here you are, and we start to give it the value. So if we say if board being 0 3, value gonna be 8, it board being 14, gonna be minus 10. So you will see, just here, look at here, 14 just minus 10 to 4. Yeah, so we will make snakes as well, and now we start our while loop. So we say, okay, square 0, dice roll 0, and then say, okay, while a square is the smallest that final square, run this. So we will add rice, and rice roll, if it's become 7, dice roll gonna be 1, and square equal dice roll, and here you will see then. So when this condition will be wrong, when our square being equal final or more. So let's run our let's run this and see what's happening. So I'm gonna run this, and you will see game got over, and 10 times this happened, and finally it's we get, actually it's be coming out a square gonna be equal final square. If you are still on the board, move up to down for a snake or a ladder. Yeah, and here you will see how it's work. Okay, the other approach to this could be with repeat while. Okay, so what's the difference with repeat while? As I said, for repeat while, we start from repeat, and then we have a statement, then we have while and condition. So at least we will run this statement once, even with wrong condition. So we again approach to that one and see now this one is even much we get less code. We need less codes until we get game over. So let's go here and look at the, yeah, so we made the same, and we start from a square 1 0, and then we start. So we said, okay, square 1 plus 1 on board is square 1, and dice, we just add dice roll, and we know if a dice gonna be 7, we make it 1. So our dice, we can do random, but here we made it in pretty simple format to have same roll. So here you will see, and we will, yeah, game get over after 10 times running this again. And yeah, here you are, and you will see how it worked. So in this we learned about while and repeat while. That we know that for while, first we check condition, and then we will run iterating body, and for repeat while, first we run once and then we check condition. Yes, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up, and also don't forget to be subscribed for more videos which are coming every day. If you have any question, please ask in comment below, and I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.